this is Tom Olsewski with Tom Olsewski and Coldwell Banker. And I want to welcome you again to this video series on the answers for the top real estate questions. So over the years, I have always been asked lots of questions about selling and or buying a home. In this video series, I will continue to answer some of those top questions that I have been asked over the years. So here we go with the next question. Is paying 6% to sell a home required? Well, traditionally, sellers will typically pay 6% to their real estate agent. The agent will then split the difference between themselves and the buyer's agents 50-50. This number has been the standard commission rate since the mid-20th century. But sellers don't have to pay this 6% commission. They have other options. On expensive homes, for example, such as what we have in Southern California, where home prices are pretty high compared to the rest of the country, sometimes 5% is acceptable. Discount agents may take as little as 3% to sell a home. Flat rate services can connect sellers with real estate agents who will take over the process, all for a flat fee that may appear to save sellers thousands of dollars. Sometimes with the additional marketing that is typically done with a reputable full-service agent, a seller could sell their home for thousands more. We also have a program that will front the cost of some of the repairs, sometimes netting the seller $10 for every dollar they spend more. Sellers can also take on the job of being a real estate agent, listing their homes online through multiple listing. Statistics, though, have shown that this doesn't work over 80% of the time, and most for sale by owners ultimately end up listing with an agent anyway. So in general, almost everything in real estate is negotiable, but when it comes to selling your home, the old adage of you get what you pay for definitely rings true in this scenario. There are a lot of factors to consider when selling your home. Well, that's it for now. But stay tuned as I continue to provide a number of informative videos to answer your top questions. I hope this was helpful. Remember, if you have an immediate question, please feel free to reach out to me or my team. There will be a slide at the end of this video on ways to contact us. If you have a particular question about selling or buying, please message me or leave a comment below. Also, if you have not done so yet, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. There should be a link down below. For now, thanks and make it a great day.